Let's dive deep into important details. 1. Catch his ankle. 2. Bridge into opponent and lift his ankle. 3. Place his ankle on your shin. 4. Push his leg down into your half guard. 5. Perform knee lever sweep. 6. Put your bottom leg over his far leg. 7. Roll under the arm, put your heel to your butt. 8. Put your knee behind the opponent's knee. 9. Control both opponent's legs. 10. Lie down towards his ankles. 11. Turn your opponent sideways using your top leg. 12. Cross your legs to secure hip control and arch your back. Now you are ready to try it yourself. Don't forget to save, like, and share this video.